Welcome back. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear brothers and sisters, please never mind. May I sing a song? I'm not good at singer, but I'm trying. And everything is purpose for learning English. That's why I wanna sing a song. Please listen carefully. মা তুমি আমার আগে চেয়েও না কোমরে আমি কেমন করে দেব মাটি তোমার কবরে মা তুমি আমার আগে চেয়েও না কোমরে Dear mom, please don't die before me. How I will give the soil on your grave. আমি কেমন করে সেই তোমাকে শুয়াব গো শক্ত মাটিতে শুয়াব গো শক্ত মাটিতে মা তুমি আমার আগে যেও না কোমরে How I will lay down you on the hard soil. That's why I telling, dear mom, please don't die before me. I'm not good at singer and I'm trying. Sometimes we have to enjoy together or alone by singing a song, by playing and another way. That's why I wanna try to enjoy alone. Nobody here, only alone me. That's why I singing a song. And please never mind. I have to finish here. Please follow my Facebook page to get more videos. If you follow my Facebook page, I will be very grateful to you. And if Almighty want, we will meet next video. And I pray for everyone. Please pray for me. And especially pray for them who are they want to success in their life. All the best.